With restraining orders, the biggest question, whether you're the one applying for it or the one defending against it, is the probability that this person is going to do something in the future. The whole idea is that you're asking the judge to protect you from future harm. So if there's only been one incident of violence, even if the person admits they beat you up, it doesn't mean the judge is going to grant the thing. And you'll see a lot of times people don't get them. If it was some person, maybe like a bar fight where you don't really know the person and they hit you, the judge is going to say, well, what's the risk of future harm? If someone was beaten up, maybe domestic violence, and they move out, well, you're not living there anymore. You have to show some connection between the evidence available and a threat of future harm. Have they ever made any threats to come find you? Has it been a repeated thing or was it only one time? Maybe if you live close to someone or you work with them, there's a big probability that you're probably going to come across their path sometime. But if it's just one thing, a one-time incident, that makes it a lot harder. So anytime if you're trying to file one, you have to prove that. Why am I still afraid of this person? What's the big risk? If you're defending, if someone files one against you, the biggest defense is to show there's no proof of future harm. Now, a problem can be if someone's going to speak during a restraining order hearing, do you have a pending criminal charge? If you were the person who's the defendant in a criminal case, you probably don't want to go running your mouth in a short-term civil thing. A restraining order can be a couple weeks after you get arrested, and it creates a problem because you don't want to run your mouth because then you've waived your right to remain silent. So that's another thing that comes up with these restraining orders. If someone's arrested, you really don't have a right to defend yourself because if you talk, you've waived your rights, and it might be an admission. It would come up in the criminal case. Anything you say there would be used in the criminal case. So that's a short bit of information about restraining orders that you should know if you're ever filing one or defending against one.